You're having a movie night with your family and you would like to munch on a caramel popcorn. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your own caramel popcorn from the comfort of your home. Hello, welcome back to my channel. On my channel today, I'll be showing you a recipe on how you can make caramel popcorn from the comfort of your home. To start making our caramel popcorn, you need a pot. Put your pot on fire and make sure the water in the pot dried off. Then after that, you go in with your margarine or butter. As you can see, I'm using Jupi for my recipe because it has salt in it. So just put small amount of butter or margarine in your pot and allow it to melt. You're using a melted butter. After that, you go in with your corn. Note, this corn is totally different from the corn you use in making your pap. This is popcorn corn, which is different from the pap corn. So mix your corn with the melted butter and spread it wide in the pot. Make sure each corn is sitting on the pot. Give it few minutes for it to start popping. As soon as you notice that it has started popping like this, cover your pot and allow it to pop and allow all the corn to pop. While you're allowing all the corn to pop, make sure you keep shaking your pot so that all the corn will pop. As you can see, here are my popcorn. You can see all the corn popped, and that is how to make a popcorn. But to make a caramel popcorn, we need to take it a step further by putting your pot on the gas. Add another melted butter. Allow it to melt as you have done in the past previously when you wanted to make your popcorn. Allow it to melt, mix it up and add sugar. You need to add a lot of sugar, especially if you are making large quantity of popcorn. So after adding your sugar to the melted butter, you need to allow the sugar to caramelize before taking it another step further. For your sugar not to get burnt, you need to keep stirring on fire and make sure the fire is on low heat. This will take like 5 to 10 minutes. In less than 10 minutes, your sugar is going to caramelize and you need to keep stirring it and make sure your gas is on low heat. As you can see, my sugar has already caramelized. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the next ingredient, which is the flavor and the baking soda. So the first thing I added after the sugar caramelized is cinnamon. I use cinnamon as my flavor. You can add any flavor of your choice. And the next thing I also add is baking soda. The baking soda will help it to retain its crunchiness and it's going to be crunchy. You're going to love it. So after that, you keep stirring to mix all the ingredients together. After which you're going to add your already made popcorn. After adding your already made popcorn to the caramelized sugar, there you have it, your caramel popcorn for your movie night with your family. And this is so easy to make. Apart from the fact that it is easy to make, it does not take time. This will be ready in less than 30 minutes. So once you have your caramel popcorn, the next thing you're going to do is serve it and enjoy it with your family. And to give it that beautiful taste, you can sprinkle milk powder on it. This is going to add another beautiful taste to it that you'll so much enjoy, like I did in the video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If that is true, please don't forget to subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you in my next